Hi everyone, welcome you all. I hope you are doing well, and today I'm sharing my recently created project which is an inspiration from TechNetCloud solution website. And okay, I'm going to show you this website. It's a completely responsive site and it's built or created on React and Tailwind. Okay, so I have created this website with some functionalities. Like there is a lot of work with design, but there are some functionalities included like dark mode, white mode, uh, okay, dark mode and light mode. Okay, there are some of routing concepts involved there, like we can route to another page like services, about, contact, okay, home. So there's a logo of it and we can scroll. I have added a smooth scrolling here. uh, there are some image icons which I have added. There is a functionality of move to top, like if we click on this, so this will move our screen to the top with a smooth scrolling. Like you can see, it's a smooth scrolling and we can move to top by clicking on this button. So yeah, this is our website, you can see right here. Okay, I have designed completely, but there are few things remaining, like I'm going to show you the original site. This is the original site. Like this stuff is remaining which I have to create in some free time. Like you can see, there is some uh, background effects, so I will add it later. And this is a main website like technetcloud.co, and which I have built is this one, like similar one. You can see I have perfectly created everything. uh, let me show you the responsive version of the site. Okay, we can see it in light mode like this. In a light mode, these pictures or images are changing like this. Okay, this one also. Okay, there's a video, and okay, like we can go to about, services, or any page. Now there are some hovering effect like here on the links, and if we click on this is a main page, so it's not working like this, like on this page. Okay, if we on this page, like on contact page, and click on this, so we will move to home page. Okay, now I'm going to show you the responsive part of this website. You can see it's a mobile version of this site. If I okay, created by me. If we click on this, so we have moved to the top. Like this, and if we click on this, there are some links appear by clicking on this hamburger menu. Okay, now I'm going to show you a glimpses of my coding. Okay, I'm not going to show you the full coding because it's not a full video, it's just a demo. Like you can see, I have created some components. It's a app.jsx, and in components I have some pages like section 1, 2, 3. In some free time I will arrange these names, etc., and paths. For now I have just created this one. I have also deployed this on GitHub and Vercel. I am also going to show you on Vercel. Like these are some of pages. Okay, in context I have used theme change concept. Okay, and I have used some CSS for colors. Okay, main.jsx, there is nothing. Now I am going to deploy the final version of my code to Vercel. npm. Okay, first of all I am going to add all these changes. I have recently created this site, so I'm going to add this on my GitHub. So first of all, I'm going to show you my GitHub account. Okay, this is my GitHub account. You can also see this by visiting this URL. Okay, so this is a site. Okay, I think I have changed the site URL in Vercel. So I think this is the final site link. I am going to open my Vercel also. So this one is my Vercel project, and if I click on this, I have to move on this website. So you can see there are something missing. Like you can see here is not showing icon, and I have fixed all these things just as of now, and I'm going to push my changes, recently made changes to GitHub. So git add dot git commit -m, and the message is site completed, although there are some changes remaining which I have to site completed, okay, which I have to complete in few days. So you will also get the final website and git push. Okay, git push, and now I'm going to npm run deploy. Okay, I think it will automatically deploy. I'm not going not going to use GitHub pages, so I'm assuming this will automatically assign to Vercel. These changes were automatically assigned to Vercel. I'm going to refresh it for checking the double changes. I'm going to remove the extra things like this. So yes, my site is finally deployed on Vercel with final changes, and there are few things remaining, like this icon is not showing here. I will fix it soon, and all the other things are here. If I click on this button, yes, it's working. If I move to contact, about, services, home, it's working. Just these three icons are remaining, and all the other things are working perfectly. Now I'm going to show you the responsive version of this site. So yes, responsive site is also perfectly working. So these things are remaining: png, png, png. Okay, thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you find it helpful.